afternoon, everyone. Welcome to a special edition of our school news program. I'm Paula, and today we're taking a trip to the past. In today's program, we have an exciting project to share with all of you. Joining me in the studio, we have two special guests who took part of this fascinating project. Please welcome Ander and Mikel. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thank you. Ander, could you tell our viewers about this project?
Absolutely. Our English teacher wanted us to know about the past, for example, about the 40s, 70s, 80s, or 90s. We think that we have to experience the past to understand the world we live in today.
It's more than just studying the boring grammar of the past simple of regular and irregular verbs. Apart from the project, we've also watched the film Pixels, which begins in 1982 to understand the past better.
Sounds great, Mikel. And can you explain us the topics of the project?
Yeah, sure. We've got a bit of everything. We found some information in the internet, and we also asked our parents and grandparents about what the life was when they were younger.
And talking about the topics, we talked about films, technology, video games, food, and fashion.
Fantastic! Thank you to Ander and Mikel for sharing your experiences. And to our viewers, if you're curious to see this project, don't miss this video.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street, gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock you. Sing it out. We will rock you. Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, pleading with your eyes, gonna make you zombie someday. You got mud on your face, big disgrace, somebody better put your bag into your place. We will rock you.
This is Paula Lindstrand, and that's all. See you next time.